Being faced with an angry or sometimes even an abusive customer has to be one of the most challenging situations for customer facing professionals. So, why do customers get upset? According to ClickFox, which is a major customer journey analytics provider, the following issues are likely to upset customers the most and will result in an angry confrontation. Let's look at the statistics. Over 40% of customers list being passed on from agent to agent and having to retell their story multiple times as their most frustrating tipping point. Then, being asked to hold and then being left on hold for long periods of time irritates 17% of customers. Having to deal with rude or inexperienced customer service agents or service technicians frustrates 13% of customers. And then 12% of customers mention being upset when they're not understood by an agent or a software. And finally, not having their problem resolved or complaint dealt with on the first try are mentioned by about 10% of the customers. The impact of a customer having a bad experience with their company can be significant. If it happens to established customers who've been clients for years and given your company a lot of business, the impact of them taking their business elsewhere may be significant in terms of revenue. This situation can be made worse if customers tell their friends about their bad experience or even leave your company a negative review on social media. And here's where it gets tricky. You might have nothing to do with the original poor service or mistake that has angered or upset the customer, but you are often the target of that customer's frustration. Research shows that some customers who are really frustrated and upset may even dehumanize the agent that they're talking to. What happens is that angry customers see you as the representative of the company and will therefore make you the focus of their frustrations. If they've received bad service in the past, they might expect it to happen again. Strictly speaking, this might not seem fair to you, but as the representative of your company, you're literally in the front line and you have to deal with the issue to the best of your ability. So it's up to you to make the best of a negative situation. Ironically, even if you're not being treated with courtesy and respect, this is when you should show that all people value being treated with respect. Customers want to have their dignity, intelligence, and the value of their time acknowledged. In most cases, they're upset because this wasn't done previously. Basically, you need to get across to the customer that you're dealing with their problem or complaint as best as you can. There is, of course, much more at stake here than just dealing with a customer's immediate problem and resolving it. You are, in fact, in a strong position to repair some of the damage that has been done to your company's business relationship with that customer and retain their loyalty and goodwill for the future.